Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. Today I will teach you how to write ha. Before starting the class, let us recall what we have done in our previous class. In the previous class, we have read page number 5 of Akhar Gyan book, and there we learnt ha, her. And your today's work is to do page number 14 of Akhar Sulekh book. So for that, take out your Akhar Sulekh book and open page number 14. Before tracing ha on this page, come to the top left corner of the page where Jamaat/Ghar da Kam is written in the box. There, choose Ghar da Kam option and mark tick over there and write H.W in this box. H means home, W means work, homework. Now, come to the right side. There is one box where Miti is written. Miti means date. So write down today's date in this box. What is today's date? Today is 1st May 2020. So write down 1, then 5. May is the 5th month of the year. So write down 5 here and then year 2020, that means 2020. Now you have to trace this page like this. But for writing ha without dots and in proper formation on copy or on book, you must know how to write ha. So for that, I will teach you how to write ha. Before learning how to write ha, you must know the concept of lines. As you already know the concept of lines, let us revise. This is sleeping line. This is standing line. And this is slanting line. So, for writing ha, I have drawn 5 lines over here. And I will use these 3 lines to draw ha like this. So for that, I will draw a sleeping line like this. Then from here, I will leave some gap and then I will start drawing a standing line like this. And from the end of this standing line, I will draw a slanting line in an upward direction like this. And this line must touch the 3rd line. That means this line, that is 1st, 2nd and 3rd line. And then from there, draw a small sleeping line starting from here and ending at there. This is ha. Now come to this page. This is a page similar to the pages given in your Akhar Sulekh book. And today I will teach you how to write ha in these lines. I have drawn same pattern over here with more gaps, and there I will teach you how to write ha in lines. I have written haha in these two boxes. Now I will teach you how to write haha here. So for writing haha, draw the sleeping line like this. On the second line, this is first, this is second. Then draw a standing line like this, and from there draw a slanting line in an upward direction, and then draw a small sleeping line like this. This is haha. Now come to this page. This is square line sheet. As I have already told you, for writing Punjabi alphabets you must have to take square line copy, and I hope you are practicing all the alphabets on square line copy only. So today I will teach you how to write haha in the box. For that I use this sheet and I have written haha in these boxes. Now I will teach you how to write haha here. For that you have to draw a sleeping line like this. Then from here draw a standing line like this, and from the end of this standing line draw a slanting line in an upward direction, and then draw a small sleeping line like this. This is haha. Now revise the steps. Now your today's work is to do page number 14 and practice haha on square line copy. Thanks for watching the video.